Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Brawl Stars club popular. First, clearly define your club's purpose and who you want to attract. Are you competitive, casual, or a mix? Next, establish clear, easy-to-understand rules for all members, covering things like minimum trophy requirements or activity levels. Finally, choose a unique and memorable club name that reflects your identity, making it easier for players to find and join you. To grow your club, actively recruit new members. Share your club tag and a brief description on social media platforms like Reddit and Discord, reaching thousands of potential players. Also, look for active players on in-game leaderboards and send them direct invitations. Consider hosting small, friendly competitions within your club to showcase its fun atmosphere and attract more dedicated players. Keeping members engaged is crucial for long-term success. Organize regular club events, such as trophy pushes or mini-tournaments, at least 2 to 3 times a week to maintain excitement. Foster a positive and supportive environment where everyone feels welcome. Encourage open communication and teamwork through the club chat, ensuring members feel connected and valued within your community. To sustain growth, delegate responsibilities to trusted co-leaders and seniors, empowering them to help manage the club. Regularly review your club's performance, adjusting strategies based on member activity and trophy counts. Aim for a minimum of 30 active members to consistently participate in club league and maximize rewards, ensuring your club remains competitive and appealing to new recruits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.